Good morning. This presentation explains the functionality of a simple console-based space shooter game implemented in C language. The game consists of a player-controlled spaceship that moves up and down while shooting at randomly generated enemies. The objective is to eliminate as many enemies as possible before they reach the spaceship's position. This program demonstrates fundamental game mechanics, including a real-time input handling, enemy generation, collision detection, and update loop that continuously refreshes the game state. So, the spaceship is controlled by simple keyboard inputs. If you press W, the spaceship moves upwards. If you press S, the spaceship moves downwards, and if you press F, then a bullet is fired from the spaceship's current position. So when fired, the bullets travel in a straight path, and if a bullet collides with an enemy, that enemy is removed from the game. This program tracks the movement of active bullets and updates their positions accordingly. Of course, enemies appear randomly at predefined positions. If an enemy reaches the specific location without being hit, the game indicates collision. The game updates continuous check for user input, move bullets, and generate new enemies. So this is the code. So this game is structured in a continuous loop that performs several key functions. We have the input handling. The game listens to the user input to move the spaceship or fire the bullets. Then we have an enemy generation. It uses the run function and the enemies spawn at different locations at different random intervals. So we use the run function. As you can see, enemy generation. This is function to update the bullets position and check for collisions, and this is the function to handle user input asynchronously. And we have a bullet tracking. So the fired bullets move independently in a straight line or in a straight path, and their positions are updated in each iteration in the loop, as you can see. Then we have the collision detection. Which is here. So what does a collision detection does is this program, it compares the position of the bullets and enemies to determine if a hit occurs. And we also have a game timing, which is a sleep function. So the sleep function introduces a delay between updates, ensuring that the game runs at a controlled speed. So this is the function of the sleep function, which is a library of the windows.h, and the time is managed by the time.h. So we're gonna run the game by clicking here. So as you can see, it shows the game state, the specific positions, and the enemy. So if you press fire, then the game operates as I've described before. If you press W, you can see the changes as well. So that's all about it. That's all about the game, as it highlights programming in C and a continuous change in the specific position, the enemies, and the bullets which are fired in a straight path. So that's all about the game. Thank you very much.